The main purpose of societies is to increase their welfare and to ensure the sustainability of this welfare. In other words, to create a welfare level compatible with sustainable growth. Energy is one of the main factors of economic growth. Therefore, the energy sector is very closely related to the economy, finance, environment, engineering, domestic and foreign policies, and even the security policies of the countries. The International Congress on Economics, Finance and Energy was assembled in 2014 with the aim of contributing to a better understanding of the energy sector by using economic principles and tools, considering that energy is a discipline that should be evaluated in many dimensions. The aim of the International Congress on Economics, Finance and Energy is to address energy issues within the economic and financial framework and to share researches on these issues with parties concerned and to make clear projections for the future. As known, Central Asia, Caucasus, and Anatolia have always been economically strong regions where humanity has settled throughout history. At the beginning of the 21st century, with their oil and natural gas reserves, Central Asia and Caucasus gained importance again, and the economic development potential of the countries in these regions attracted attention. Therefore, in EFE 2014, which is the first Congress of the International Congress on Economics, Finance and Energy, world energy markets and Central Asian and Caucasus countries was discussed as the main theme. As the main theme of the first Congress was related to the Central Asia and Caucasus, EFE 2014 was organized in Kazakhstan with the cooperation of Khoja Ahmet Yassawi International Turkish-Kazakh University, which is an international university with autonomous status of Turkey and Kazakhstan, located in Turkestan, and International Turkic Academy, located in Astana. The president of Turkish Economic Association, Professor Ercan Uygur, and the president of the Kazakhstan Petroleum and Natural Gas Institute, Yaksabek Kulekeyev, attended EFE 2014 Congress as invited speakers. Political stability and economic development was chosen as the main theme of the Second International Congress on Economics, Finance and Energy, held in Almaty on May 16th to 18th, 2016, since this year coincided with the 25th year of independence of the Central Asian countries. EFE 2016 Congress was organized in collaboration with Khoja Ahmet Yassawi International Turkish-Kazakh University, Eurasian Research Institute, and Al-Farabi National University. Professor Sadden Orazali from the Economy Institute of Science Committee of the Ministry of Education and Science of Kazakhstan, Professor Recep Kök from 9 Eylül University, and Professor Winston Nagin from the University of Florida attended the Congress as invited speakers. Understanding the geopolitical shifts in real activities and financial sector was defined as the main theme of the Third International Congress on Economics, Finance and Energy, held in Almaty on 16th to 18th April 2018. EFE 2018 Congress was organized in collaboration with Khoja Ahmet Yassawi International Turkish-Kazakh University Eurasian Research Institute, HİMEP University, 9 Eylül University, and NİDE Ömer Halis Demir University. Professor Aziz Sancar, who won the Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 2015, attended the Congress as an invited speaker and discussed the importance of scientific research collaboration among Turkic-speaking countries. The Fourth International Congress on Economics, Finance and Energy was planned to be held in NİDE on 16th to 18th April 2020 with the theme of Political Economy of the Energy Revolution in collaboration with Khoja Ahmet Yassawi International Turkish-Kazakh University and NİDE Ömer Halis Demir University. However, due to the coronavirus pandemic, COVID-19, the EFE 2020 will be held online with the same theme on 14th and 15th October 2020. The EFE Congress series, held regularly every 2 years since 2014, will continue to open important issues for discussion and contribute to the process of policy making in future with the participation of academicians and experts studying in these fields and with the support of various institutions.